Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a Surfshark VPN deal. First, open your browser. Go to the official Surfshark website. Next, go to the pricing or deals page on that site. Many times, there is a special promotion or discount offer visible on the homepage or menu. Look for a coupon code or promotion banner. Sometimes Surfshark runs seasonal deals, extended plans, or limited time offers. Click on the Deal or Get Started button near the discounted plan. You will see different subscription options: monthly, yearly, or multi-year plans. The longer plans usually offer the best savings per month. Choose the plan that fits your needs. The price shown should already include the discount. If there is a space for coupon code or promo code, enter the code exactly as given in the banner or on the deals page. After choosing your plan and applying any code, click Continue. You will be asked to enter your email address and create a password. Use an email you control and a secure password. Then choose your payment method. Surfshark often supports credit cards, PayPal, or other local payment options. Fill in the payment details as requested. Review your order summary before final confirmation. Once you have confirmed, download and install the Surfshark app on your device. Log in with your email and password. That's it. Thanks for watching.